to the Prosource channel. My name is Ryan. Today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about our upcoming end of the year blowout sale happening during the month of November and December at your local Prosource. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about COREtec. COREtec is one of our featured LVP brands in Prosource. LVP stands for Luxury Vinyl Plank. You can also refer to it as LVT, so you may hear those used interchangeably. Vinyl planks are absolutely a fantastic product. They've been on the market for quite some time, used primarily commercially, but are definitely making their way into the residential market in a big, big way. Vinyl is a great product for someone that's looking for that look and feel of wood without A, necessarily the cost, but B, without maintenance. Vinyl is a really wonderful product because it has a huge waterproof feature. So people are really able to use it throughout their home, even running it into bathrooms if they want to use it for a feature, or if they're just trying to be cost effective and keep that material kind of removing all throughout the house. I've used it on a couple projects in secondary bathrooms, keeping the same floor, running it through, popping up a really nice decorative wall tile, so it makes it feel completely different than it does in the rest of the home, especially in the main living area. This is just a couple of the different color variations that will be offered by COREtec. We're really lucky that they have partnered with us on this sale so that we can bring you additional savings and additional discounts on their wonderful product. COREtec's great because they were kind of one of the originators of vinyl. They will call themselves the grandfather of vinyl. They introduced it into the market and they've really been one of the pioneers of this marvelous product. COREtec's great also because all of their product is backed with cork. So you're going to get an underlayment that's attached to it, giving you a little bit of cushion on the feet, but you can also always get an additional underlayment depending on how much comfort you want. That's something that your account manager would always be happy to speak to you about, so absolutely make sure that you bring it up to them. As I mentioned, these are just some of the colors, but COREtec has really shared a lot with us during this featured sale, where we'll be able to offer you from lights to the dark tones, grays, and really be able to kind of feature any type of look that you are going for your home. One other product, or feature, that I love about the vinyl is the hand feel. There are different levels that you can get within vinyl. So whether you like that really sleek, kind of more waxy finish where there's not a lot of texture, or if you're really looking for that textured look so that it kind of gives you that natural grain and wood feel, they really kind of cover the whole board and have something to offer for whatever you're looking for. As always, your account manager is absolutely happy to help you. You're always welcome to come into your local Prosource and see what COREtec has to offer. We look forward to seeing you soon. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel.